dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, if you want to see these kind of very beautiful concepts you're going to be having in your concepts and varieties, in particular Pakistani dress set materials. Guys, many of the concepts if you're going to be liking, then please, like always I have to say I hate that take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. And if you are new to this kind of textile industry concepts of videos, then please do subscribe our channel. You will be get many of the varieties according to many of the concepts, 20 to 25 different varieties. You will be get at under one roof, which you name it Kesaria Textile. So guys, not wasting many of the times, just start our first of the collections. Like in many of my hands, these kind of very beautiful concepts I'm going to showcase in this kind of variety. You're going to be see very beautifully, nicely, neat and clean work you're going to be done in this kind of very beautiful concepts you're going to see. 6 to 7 particular shades you will be get, color shades you will be get in any of our items. Single piece will not be delivered. And let me remind you guys, if you are interested to do your businesses, or you already have your established business in the abroad or any of the particular Indian states or regional of India, then also most welcome. You have to just visit once in a while our company for getting better facility giving by our many of the salesperson or many of our executives. These kind of very beautiful concepts in the ready-made particular wear also we are getting, because many of the Eid kind of celebrations we want to be coming, occasions are coming. For them, these kind of beautiful Pakistani suit dress materials are very highly preferable or wearable on those kind of regions. You're going to be seeing these kind of very beautiful pearl designs also and beautiful threading wear. And let me remind you, all the sizes, talking about the particular sizes XL or XXL, you will be get 20 to 25 different pieces also, according to in particular one size. These kind of bottom wear also you will be get, and talking about the dupatta also, then also you will be getting this kind of dupatta. Talking about the fabrics and ranges, either it will be the fox georgette concepts or cotton, neither be the semi-lawn. These kind of concepts you will be getting here on. See, in these kind of beautiful concepts with some beautiful silver shining stones are sticked there, which give a completely new look. See, some of the lightwear concepts you may not like. Some dark kind of concepts in the fabric of fox georgettes or also we are manufacturing here. These kind of very beautiful shining concepts in the silver stone are sticked there very beautifully. Talking about the color shades, you will be getting this kind of color shades, many of the varieties, and according to the same contrasting designing, dupatta also you will be getting here on. See, beautiful silver zari samosa lace concepts you will be getting each of our variety, and these kind of 3 color shades you will be getting. See, this kind of barcode system we will be providing. Either you will be the wholesaler, neither you will be the retailer, or you are interested to start your new business. The range will be same. So guys, no need to worry or no need to hesitate to come and visit our shop. And if you are not able to come, then also you can call the screen available number. They will give you n number of varieties and collections, whatever the items we are providing in our full whole section. So guys, it's not possible to cover all the varieties in just particular one video. So for them, I'm just showing only the samples which are updated in our stocks. These kind of very beautiful ready-made wear concepts are also very well made. See, beautiful flowering, threading work, multicolor threading work you will be get in these kind of designs. See, beautiful bottom wear concepts are also you will be getting here on. See, these kind of very beautiful concepts are also very well made. So guys, in this video that's all. If you are liking any of our concepts, please know me in our comment sections. Give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks. Till then, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.